Hi reception, welcome back. Okay, let's get started with the next part of our learning. So far we have ordered all the numbers up to 15, haven't we? We started yesterday and today we've added some more on and we've had a go at making the right amount with the Numicon pieces to show how big each number is and to help us check things are in the right order. And we've also talked about how when we're ordering numbers, our counting skills can help us check too and help us to spot mistakes. So what are we going to do now? Well, the ordering part for some of you, you might think, oh, that's quite easy, actually. I know how to do that. But this is going to be the slightly trickier bit because this is when we need to use our number line, and it might be a number line in your head or you might use the one you've made to answer some questions about numbers. So we're going to have some clues and need to work out what number's being described. So to do that, we're going to use the same words as yesterday. Okay, so today is a bit more practice doing the same thing we started yesterday. So I'm just going to turn the screen so you can see my board. And here you can see I've added on the numbers we made today and ordered today. So now we've got a number line all the way from 0 to 15. And we've got the Numicon above to show us what those numbers could look like as well. And here are the words we looked at yesterday. We had questions or clues with the word more in, less, before, after, smaller and bigger. And we're going to practice doing exactly the same as yesterday, but now we've got some more numbers in our number line to use. We've also got a new word, and the new word we're going to have in our clues today is in between. Now, in between is a little bit like when we did our positional work last week. In between is the number is in the middle of something. So if we're trying to find out if we were told a number was in between two numbers, it's the one in the middle of it. So I'm going to show you some questions with in between in, and hopefully that will make a bit more sense when we see an example. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to do one, then I'm going to ask you to help me do one. And I'd love it if you could have your number line in front of you ready so you can join in. If not, you can use the one on the screen. Okay, so here's our first question. And I'm going to have a go at this one. It says, I am 1 more than 10. Now let me think, what do I need to do? Well, I need to look at my question first and think about what I need to do. It says 1 more, so it's a more question. And I know that when we're doing more or adding more on, the numbers get bigger. Okay, so it's a bit like the word bigger, isn't it? 1 more is like 1 bigger. So I am 1 more or 1 bigger than 10. So I need to find 10 first. I could find it on my number line here. You might be able to put it in your number line in your head. That's fine. And I need to work out what's 1 more. The number is 1 more than 10 or 1 bigger. So if I'm doing 1 more, if I'm getting 1 bigger, I need to go this way up my number line because we've gone from smallest to biggest, haven't we? So 1 more would be, let me see, 11. And you know what? I can see that really clearly. Look, there's my 10 Numicon. There's a 10 plus 1 more. So the answer is 11. Wow. Do you know what? I think you might be able to do the next one. Are you ready? Okay, reception, let's do this one then. I need your help for this. I am 1 more than 7. So 1 more means the same as 1. That's right, bigger. So if we're doing 1 bigger, are we going to move up the number line or back down the number line to get the answer? That's right, we're going to go up the number line, aren't we? Because we're going from smallest to biggest. So what should I do now then? So I know what I need to do. I need to go up the number line, but where do I start? Of course, I start on 7. So I find 7. I need to do 1 more. So what should I do with my finger, everybody? Yes, I need to jump up 1, don't I? I need to go 1 more or 1 bigger. Whoop. And the answer is 8. Well done. And remember, you could also use counting, couldn't you? So if you could put 7 in your head, you could just count up 1 more. So if I was counting, it'd be like 6, 7, 8. So my counting can help me work that out as well. Well done, everybody. Let's look at the next question we've got. Oh, I know which one we'll try. Okay, this says, I come after 12. After, where's after? Here's the word after. Let's put it up there to remind me. So this is an after question. Okay, let me have a go at this one then. So, I come after. So after, if it comes after, I'm going this way on my number line. Okay, so it comes after the number 12. So let's find 12. Oh, here's 12. I know it's 12. 12 is 1, 10, and a 2. So there's 12. And look, I can match the numbers to my question, couldn't I? I come after. Well, I'm not going to go this way because that would be before. After is going to be bigger. It's going to go up. Okay, so after 12 is this number. Oh, what number's that? That's 13. So the number is 13. Let me just check with my counting. So 10, 11, 12, 13. That's right. Can you have a go at that one like that for me? Are you ready? Oh, it's another after question. Let's read it. I come after 14. Okay, so come after. So if we're doing after, are we going to go this way up our number line or back down our number line? Well done, we're going to go up our number line, aren't we? What number should I start on? 14, it's in the question, so I need to find 14. Can you tell me when I'm on 14? Tell me when to stop. Ah, there it is, 14. I can hear that actually. 4, it's got a 4 in it. That reminds me that's what 14 is, look. Okay, so I come after 14. What should I do now, reception? Oh, I need to jump up one my number line to see what number comes next or after 14. So, what number is it? Can you see? It's 15. Well done. Oh, you're going to be so good at this today, I can tell. Let's try a different type of question. Okay. Oh, I can see a different word in this clue. So let's think, what am I going to do differently? Okay, so it says, I am 1 less than 9. 1 less. Oh, less. So when we are doing less, we are taking away, we are getting smaller. So we're not going to go up the number line because that gets bigger. If we're doing less, we need to go down the number line. We need to take something away. Okay, so I think I know which way to go on my number line now. I am 1 less than 9. Okay, so it's something to do with the number 9. So here's 9. 1 less. So I need to take one away or do show 1 smaller because that's another way we could say it. 1 smaller, 1 less. Oh, I know. I have to go back 1. So 9, go back 1. Oh, look, it's 8. 1 less than 9 is 8. And I could do that in my head. If I pictured my number line, I could jump back, or I could even get my 9 fingers. Oh, can you see my 9 fingers? And take 1 away to show 1 less. Reception, could you have a go at one for me? Here's one for you. Okay. I am 1 less than 15. Okay, let's do it then. So 1 less. So 1 less means what do we need to do? Yes, we need to take 1 away. Which other word could we use? Instead of 1 less, what else could we say? We could say 1 smaller. We could say 1 smaller, couldn't we? So 1 less than 15. Which number do I need to find on my number line? 15, yeah. And I need to work out 1 less. So am I going to go up or am I going to go back down? Well done. I'm going to go backwards, back down, because I'm taking 1 away. So the number is going to be smaller than 15. So what shall I do with my finger? Jump back 1. Thank you. Okay, so 1 less than 15 is 14. And I can see that. Look, 1 and a 1, 10 and a 5 makes 15. If we took 1 away, we'd have 4, wouldn't we, in our ones? So we'd have 1, 10 and a 4. The answer's 14. Gosh, we're covering lots of maths today, aren't we? Lots and lots of talking happening. Okay, let's have a look at one more type of question. And we'll do with our new word, which was, can you remember what the new word is down here? In between. Well done. And we did do some questions a bit like this yesterday. This is just another way of doing a similar type of question. I'll show you what I mean. So this question says, I am, I forgot the in, silly Mrs. Hutt. I am in between 12 and 14. So this question's a bit different because I've got two numbers in my question. And I need two numbers because we're working out what number is in the middle. We've got 12 and then 14. And the number we need to work out is the one in the middle, in between the two. A bit like when we were doing our hiding games last week. So I am in between 12 and 14. Well, the first thing I should do is find 12 and 14. So let me have a look for them. So a 12, I know what a 12 is. It's got 1, 10 and a 2. There's 12. Okay. And 14, we've done 14 earlier. There's 14. And the number that is being described is in between, in the middle. So that must mean it is, well, that's in the middle, 13. Look, in between the two. So the answer is 13. Do you think you could do an in-between question with me? I bet you could. Oh, I forgot the in on this one too. Whoops-a-daisy, Mrs. Hutt. Okay. I am in between 11 and 13. Okay, so if we're looking for a number that's in between, we're looking for a number that's in the middle, aren't we? Okay, so which two numbers should I find on my number line? That's right, 11 and 13. So 11, well, I know 11 is a 1, 10 and a 1. It looks like that, a 1 and a 1 together. That's how we write 11. 13, oh, is that tricky one? 13. Oh, I remember. Can you remember what 13 looks like? That's right. It's written a 1 and a 3. It's not called 13. It's called 13. There it is. Okay. So I am in between 11 and 13. So which number is in between reception? Which number's in the middle? That's right, 12. Fantastic. Goodness gracious me, reception. Now, that was brilliant. I loved how you were thinking about what the different words mean and what they were telling you had to do to find the answer, because we've been problem solving today. We've been ordering numbers and then solving some problems by using the number line we've created. We've done lots of great maths the last 2 days. And what I'd like you to do now is to have a go at some questions like yesterday. I've sent out some more to use today as well, some example ones. Having a go at solving some I'm getting a bit tongue-tied, aren't I? Mrs. Hutt, wake up. I would like you, let's start again, to have a go at home at solving some questions like we've just done, okay? So your helper's going to give you some clues and you need to work out what the answer is. And there's lots of different words that we can use in our clues today. So there's lots of different maths terms you're going to have to think about and use them to help you decide what you need to do to get the answer. Are you going to go up the number line? Are you going to go back down the number line? Or the number be bigger or smaller than the one in the question? So some really good maths thinking is going to be happening today. So have a go at that now. And then what I'd like you to do is to come back and join me for just one more short question after you've done your learning today. Okay, so I'm just going to pause the video. You go and have a go and then come back and join me. All right, see you in a moment. Welcome back, reception. How did you get on? Oh, brilliant. I bet your maths brains have grown loads after today. Okay, I've just got a little question for you. And it's just thinking about what we've done today. And it's looking at the numbers we've looked at today. And I want you to help me solve a bit of a problem because I've been ordering numbers 11 to 15, but I think I might have made a mistake. Do you think you could have a look at these numbers, spot the mistake, and tell me how to fix it? Okay, pause the video and have a chat with your helper. What's the mistake and how can we fix it? Reception, you clever clogs. You spotted it right away, didn't you? Here's the mistake here. Does it go 11, 13 when we count? No. Is 13 smaller than 12? No. So we need to swap those over, don't we, to fix it. Well done, everybody. Thanks for your hard work today. I'll see you tomorrow for some more maths. Bye now.